Washmaster, a surprising tool to make drywall tool cleaning easy and convenient. Tool washing just after work using the Washmaster is quick, easy, clean, and avoids scrubbing. Washmaster Juice is separating the removed drywall mud from the wash water as you work. Wash tools underwater to avoid splashing. The tank hood is designed to reduce splash and splatter. The tank is deep enough, most tools can be washed underwater. The metal pistol nozzle directs the industrial pump's 45 psi stream of water concentrating cleaning power. A lip on the tank prevents vigorous washing from sloshing water out of the tank. Large, easy roll tires make it easy to move the Washmaster to wherever you're working. Whether moving job to job, building to building, or room to room, the Washmaster is highly portable.
Job sites often have no water or little water available for drywall tool cleaning. The Washmaster wash station cleans and reuses water. Fill the tank with 15 gallons of water. Use the water for a week or more. Here we are showing 3 containers of water and drywall mud. The concentration of mud in each container is much greater than we would find on the job site. The Washmaster Juice cleans drywall mud from the water in minutes. The Washmaster tank is designed to facilitate recycling the separated mud. Water stays clean and you reclaim the mud cleaned from your tools. Washmaster Juice has already been added to the container on the right. The middle container is our control without Washmaster Juice. You see us adding the juice to the left container. Agitation, by shaking here, from the washing process in normal use, activates the chemical process that drops the mud out of the water. The primary purpose of reclaiming the mud is to avoid a disposal problem. As we zoom in, you can see the juice causing the drywall mud to clump together and drop out of the water. This is all happening and shown in real time. In less than a minute, most of the mud has settled out. The middle control container shows plain water with far more mud suspended in the water long after the juice has done its work in the other containers. Disposal of this muddy water at a job site is an EPA problem. Water cleaned with Washmaster Juice is easily disposed of, and the chemicals used are harmless to people and the environment. See the product safety sheet on our website. To avoid waste and mixing problems, we've made the Washmaster Juice bottle a size so 1 bottle per full tank is all that's needed. No measuring, no proportions to remember. Here's the inside of the tank, intake hose, and anti-slosh lip. The tapers at this site were not yet ready to tape. Because of a time limitation on our part, we're using clean tools to demonstrate. Usually, small splashes are not much of a problem. However, Washmaster is designed to eliminate as much splashing as possible, helpful on remodel and repair jobs. Holding tools underwater while washing eliminates most splashing. The strong water allows good underwater cleaning. The tank hood catches stray shots of water. The tank's anti-slosh lip minimizes accidental spills when moving a full Washmaster. Cleaning an automatic taper is easy with a bucket and the Washmaster. Water and mud collected in the bucket are later poured into the Washmaster to reclaim the water and mud. The intake hose clips into place near the top of the water to draw the cleanest water in the tank for tool washing. To reclaim mud, detach the hose and push it into the mud at the bottom of the tank. With the intake hose pushed into the mud, move it slowly and spray water and mud into a bucket. Remember to reclip the intake hose in place. Give the mud and water a minute to settle, then pour the water back into the Washmaster tank. Place the reclaimed mud in the mixer. Using our test container, we show how the water and mud separate and how easy it is to separate and reclaim the mud and water. Once the majority of the mud is reclaimed, debris and hardened clumps of mud will have settled to the bottom of the tank. The filter grate on the intake hose prevents debris being sucked up. They remain in the tank. Place an empty mud box under the Washmaster. Open the bottom valve to flush out the last of the mud and debris. This small amount of material is all that needs to be disposed of. To drain the Washmaster, place 3 5-gallon buckets in a line under the Washmaster. Open the bottom valve and fill each bucket to drain the tank. Easy. This clean water can be disposed of easily. The power indicates power is connected. The power on-off switch enables or disables the pump. As the pump uses a pressure sensor, there's no need to be switching the pump on and off. The pump and spray hose are detachable for easy lockup at night.
This is the basic frame without the tank or pump. The pump has the spray and intake hoses attached. It's set into the frame without screws or bolts. The tank, too, simply sits in the frame. The intake hose connects to the tank via a quick connect fitting. No tools needed.